Welcome to our channel. In this video, we're diving into creative garden fence design ideas that will elevate your garden's aesthetic and functionality. Whether you're looking for privacy, decoration, or a way to define your outdoor space, we've got you covered. Let's explore some of the most unique and stylish fence ideas that will inspire you to give your garden a fresh look. Rustic log fence. For a countryside aesthetic, consider using raw, untreated logs or driftwood. Logs of varying thicknesses arranged horizontally or vertically give a rustic, earthy appeal. Materials: fallen tree trunks, reclaimed wood, or large branches. Effect: a natural, rugged look that blends with the outdoors. Perfect for woodland gardens or homes near forests. Repurposed windows and doors. Create a whimsical, eclectic garden fence by using old doors, windows, or shutters as panels. Their unique designs and varying heights give a nostalgic, artistic vibe. Materials: salvaged or upcycled doors, windows, and wooden frames. Effect: a vintage, quirky charm with a mix of different styles, allowing sunlight to filter through glass panes. Vertical garden fence. Turn your fence into a functional vertical garden. Attach planters, hanging baskets, or pots to the fence panels, growing flowers, herbs, or small vegetables. Materials: metal or wooden fence with built-in planters or hanging racks. Effect: a lively, colorful fence that also serves as a practical gardening space, ideal for small yards or urban settings. Laser-cut metal panels. For a modern, sleek look, install laser-cut metal panels with intricate patterns like geometric shapes, floral motifs, or abstract designs. These panels can also cast interesting shadows on the garden floor. Materials: steel, aluminum, or corten metal sheets. Effect: a sophisticated, contemporary fence that adds elegance and a touch of modern artistry to your garden. Gabion wall fence. Gabions are metal cages filled with stones or pebbles, often used in landscaping for retaining walls. As a fence, they offer a modern, industrial look while being sturdy and durable. Materials: wire mesh cages, rocks, stones, or gravel. Effect: a strong, textural fence that works well in minimalist or contemporary gardens. You can also plant succulents or moss between the rocks for added greenery. Bamboo fence. Bamboo is a versatile, eco-friendly material that adds a tropical, zen-like atmosphere to your garden. You can use bamboo poles or slats for a sleek, clean look. Materials: bamboo poles or panels tied or nailed together. Its effect, a tranquil, exotic garden environment, often used in Asian-inspired landscapes. If you love gardening, interior design, or DIY projects, be sure to subscribe to our channel and hit the notification bell so you never miss out on our latest content. Keep watching and enjoy the rest of the video.